This is the, I guess, Haooair electric teapot, and this is the box that comes in. Tells you a bit about it. High borosilicate glass. I'm not sure why, but it's been 13 minutes and still hasn't boiled. It's just now getting ready to boil, so that's pretty slow. And if you're not in a hurry, then no big deal. But most people want to get something done when they put it on to boil. The other thing about it that I would comment on that I didn't like was we tried peeling off the sticker that was on here and it left us kind of a mess. So we thought maybe if we left this one on and tried peeling it off once it got the water to boil, it would be easier. I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but at least we're going to try it. The other thing is, it seems like a fairly light cord for this type of a unit. We have, real quick, I'll show you another unit that we ordered, and it has a pretty big, thick, heavy cord. So that's something I'd like to see on a pot like this, just to make sure that it's not gonna, cord's not gonna overheat. Okay, so my wife, while I was doing that, peeled off the other sticker. It did come off, so maybe this residue will come off too. And it just now shut off, so I'm going to check it. I may not be able to hold my hand up there. I'm gonna try. See what the temperature is when it shut off. Okay. Coming on up. I would think it would be boiling, but I guess, no, I don't think it's gonna make it. It shut off actually below 180 degrees. So I don't know why that is. And it took a long time to get there, so I'm sorry, but I'm not really impressed with this pot.
This is a beautiful electric tea kettle. As you can see, I just put it on and it's already starting to boil. It has this beautiful glass. It's like double walled almost. It has the high borosilicate glass. This has a concealed storage for you to wrap the cord underneath the base of it. It is 304 stainless steel on the inner lid. It resists corrosion. It's beautiful. And as you can see, it's already starting. I can see the bubbles boiling up. It's one touch, the button at the top. Just one touch, off, on. This is off, that's on. When it's on, you'll see this blue light. It has a flip top lid at the top here. And you just pull this back and that goes up. As you can see underneath, you can see some smoke coming off. It's already bubbling at the bottom. And we're gonna see how long it takes for it to boil. I can hear it. And I don't know the name of it. It is Haooair. But it's beautiful. It's very nice. It's simple. I like it because it's simple. And it looks good on the countertop. It's that black and chrome. It's beautiful. Don't mind the wine box in the back, please. But it's really nice. Perfect for when you want to make tea, coffee, oatmeal. It's hot water within seconds. Has a nice pour spout for you to pour it out. Pour it into your cup. Let's see if we can take a look. That's the smoke from it. Nice. I highly recommend. It's easy to clean. You just wipe it clean. You don't put the base or immerse it into the water. You just wipe it clean. There you go. Full boil. Look at it. I love it. I love it. I highly recommend.